In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can easily fix errors or error codes here in Hytale. For the first step, what you can do is go into your search bar, look for the settings here, go on the settings, go on system, go on, where is it, on storage, and now go on temporary files. And here we have to clean up the temporary files. So sometimes they are like error files, shader cache files, and optimization files. So make sure that you, go in here, look for all, and we can also select the recycle bin if you want to, and then we can clean up all these files. So like here, error reports or optimization files or something. So here, click on remove files then. For the next step, we can close this here. And now I have a specific tip for NVIDIA graphic card users. Go on the internet and here go on the NVIDIA app, download the NVIDIA app, go on the left here on drivers, and here you can easily install the new Embedded GeForce Humanity driver. Because some error codes happen if you don't have the newest Embedded GeForce Humanity driver. So this is really important because the new games also requires new graphic card drivers. And if your graphic card driver is too old, it sometimes and it crashes or something. So what we have to do here, install the newest Embedded GeForce Humanity driver. What you also can do is go on the search bar, look for the device manager here. And here in the device manager, we can go on the left here on disk drives, display adapters, and processors. And here we can also update our driver. Right click on it, update the driver, and then search and make for drivers. And then here we have already installed the bus driver. And we do this with all processors, all display adapters, and all disk drives. So this is really important. And what we also can do is sound, video, and game controllers. And sometimes, I don't know why, but sometimes it happens that, the Realtek audio driver or something can cause like errors or something. Right click on it, and then you can disable it. If you have some problems after that, and you need this, then don't turn it off or enable it again. So sometimes this helps. So I have disabled it and I have no problems, but you can have problems if you use this driver. I don't use this, that's why. Okay. For the next step, what we can do is we can go into the search bar here, and here we can look for run. So click on run here, and now we have here, a temp, we have prefetch or percent at 10%, and we can do the following steps with these three things here. Click on OK after you typed it in here, and then we can press Ctrl+A, right click on it, and then we can delete everything here in the folder, because that are also like temporary files and something. And it is really important that you always delete them. So and here skipped all of these things which you can't delete. There's no problem that are not many things here, and this is also really important. And what we also can do is we can also go into the search and here we can look for Hytale, the game, or the launcher you have installed it on. I installed it on another PC, so this is my recording PC, and the other PC is my gaming PC. But no problem, I will show you this with another program. So this is like my Android mobile phone recording program, but it is exactly the same. So right click off Hytale when you found it here, then open file location, right click on it again, show more options, properties, and now we go here on compatibility. And here we can run this program in compatibility mode, disable the version optimization, and run this program as an administrator. So, and then click on apply here, click on OK. And after the research PC, and then your errors should be fixed. If I could help you with the video, then please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.